Hello, I'm teacher Laline Marca of 51 Talk, and I'm super excited to be your English teacher. With 2 years of teaching experience, I've guided students of all ages to master English. And now, it's your turn. In my classes, I use interactive activities, exercises, role plays, and discussions to create a fun and engaging learning environment, ensuring that you can confidently use English in real life situations. Outside of teaching, I enjoy dancing, listening to music, and exploring new places. And I love bringing those real world experiences into our lessons. I am excited to help you achieve your language goals. If you're looking for a friendly, patient, and fun teacher, book a trial class today. Let's enjoy learning together. See you in class.